Hi, I'm Dr. Alana Levine, pediatrician and mom of 2. Here are my top 7 tips on how to treat and prevent diaper rash. First, I recommend changing diapers often, as soon as you can see that the diaper is getting heavy from being wet and immediately after a bowel movement. To clean the diaper area, soak your baby's rashy bottom in warm water and a gentle fragrance-free wash instead of using wipes. Gently pat dry. Wiping or rubbing can cause pain and more irritation. Expose your baby's bottom to air as often as possible. Be sure your baby is on an easy-to-clean surface or you may have a mess on your hands. When my children had diaper rashes, I'd line their play space with absorbent pads and leave them diaper-free and exposed to the air. Avoid products containing alcohol and fragrances that can irritate the baby's sensitive skin. Look for options that are hypoallergenic and paraben-free. Even better than treating diaper rash is preventing it from happening in the first place. I recommend applying a thick layer of healing ointment at every diaper change. Finally, when re-diapering, be sure not to fasten your baby's diaper too tight. You want to allow for airflow and avoid further chafing and irritation. Follow these tips and say goodbye to diaper rash and hello to your baby's smiles.
Diaper for your baby is so important. So let's get into why I choose Little Movers over other diapers.
These are by far the most comfortable on all of our kids. They don't leave any bumps or irritation on the skin. They keep both of our babies really protected, and they're also just a trusted name in diapers.
I love that the Huggies Little Movers has a wetness indicator, so it's easy to know when your baby needs to be changed.
The Snug Fit waistband is shaped to move with your active baby, and the Dry Touch liner absorbs moisture immediately to keep your baby feeling dry. The contoured shape literally fits your baby like a hug, and the double grip strips are my favorite part about this diaper.
And there's no sagging at all in the diaper, which is amazing. All the diapers actually have a 1 size up indicator, so it can tell you when your baby is ready for the next size.
Huggies Little Movers has fun Disney designs, and Weston was loving having Mickey Mouse on his diaper.
And the other products that we love, the Huggies Natural Care Wipes. These are our favorite. First off, they're 99% water, hypoallergenic, and super safe for your children's skin.
Huggies are such a trusted brand in diapers, so I feel really good about putting them on my little one.
New Pampers Aquapure wipes are made with 99% water and are designed to care for your baby's precious skin with only 1% of our gentle ingredients. Aquapure wipes are made with premium cotton, 0% alcohol, and no perfumes for a gentle clean. Pampers Aquapure wipes.
So these are the LUVS Ultra Leak Guard. These have a night lock on them to help lock away wetness at nighttime, which is super important.
I can honestly say that since Everly's been using the LUVS diapers, she goes through the nights completely dry.
They are such a great value. It's so affordable, so you're not spending a fortune on diapers, which is great.
It's got a really cute little monkey design on the front. And then on the back, yeah, you like the monkey design. The thing I really like about the diaper also is the fact that it actually tells you the size.
And these are super comfy. These are really soft. They move around with my active babies.
It feels more like an actual fabric feel. Overall, they just fit her so well, and they are snug in all the right places, and the elastic, like the elastic on the sides, they just really hug around her leg and around her waist. I'm highly recommending that you go out and try yourself a box of the LUVS Ultra Leak Guard diapers, because they do everything that they claim to do and more.
Introducing the IHealth No Contact Thermometer. Measure your temperature instantly. You'll see results in just 1 second. The infrared sensor collects more than 100 data points, getting accurate results every time, so you can feel confident when you're keeping a close eye on a kid with a fever. You can check your child's temperature without having to touch their skin. No more worrying about spreading germs around your house, and no loud beeping sounds that could wake a sleeping child. A sleek, one-button design makes taking a temperature simple. Just hold the button until you feel a gentle vibration. The LED screen displays the reading in bright white light, so you can clearly see it, even in total darkness. Just hold, aim, and measure. That's how easy it is to take a temperature with a no-contact thermometer from IHealth.